offense. I don't think you'll see too much defense in this game. Here's a nice pass inside. You're seeing the players playing very, very, very loose. Easy 2 points. On chance, on the time, Alvin Patrimonio with a basket.
And Alan Kaydik hits a 3.
Here's a steal off the inbound, and Alan Kaydik. Richmond missing. That's the pattern. Alan Kaydik is going to go for 3. And he got it.
Alan again.
Outside.
Here's Alan Kaydik for 3. Yes,
got it again.
Sir!
That's 3 in a row for Alan Kaydik. Everyone's beginning to realize that there's not too much defense being played here, so be patient, you'll get your shot. Kaydik.
Here's Tenorio.
Kanina naumpisa natin yung pag-uusap about Gary Payton. He said that he hopes to become a coach and a GM for the team that returns to Seattle in 2020.
In the second half, you know, I'm looking at Tim Cone Quinito, and I can see the frustration in his face. Nobody wants to run the triangle off. I think they want Alan to score 200 points. Alan now with 29. Kaydik for 3. Yes, sir!
Got it again.
Probably got intimidated by Weber. Here's Alan for 3. Yes, sir!
And Gary Payton, he's going to look for Alan Kaydik again. Here's a replay of that Alan Kaydik 3-point.
Rebound against Glenn Rice and an interception by Arwin. And Glenn telling Alan, come on, Alan, you take it. And Alan takes it and makes it for a 3. Alan Kaydik leading the way with 35 points. And, Alan showing everyone.
Mapa PBA, an idea of how he scored his personal high in the PBA. That was back in 1991. Alan
during the timeout as Alan fires. Oh, Alan now with 43 points. 43.
That ball slipped out of his hands.
Madulas. It's the ball's fault. Oh, Alan still connecting. Here's Alan for 3. Yes, sir! Alan Kaydik with 49 points. Here's Alan. Bernie. And Bernie scores!